Hey everyone, I just came across this super cool website called DGTL DigiCard. It lets you create your own digital visiting card in just a few minutes. So first, let me review the website. So you can see here are some awesome features and you can create your business digital card. So here we have reviewed the website. Now we need to create a card. So click here and then you come up here. Here you have to put your first name, then your last name, then your email address and mobile number. This is the process of signing up on the website. Here you need to add your password and then click on create my digital card. Once you sign up on the website, you need to sign in. So here you have to enter your email address and password. So it will open up the dashboard for the creating the card. You can also sign in with your Google Gmail ID. So this is the dashboard you can see. Here you have to enter your personal information, first name, last name, and here is the email address and mobile number. Then here is your business information, business company name, website, and then here is the business address, then about us. And here you need to add the social media links like Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media link. You can add from here. And then you need to click on the save changes. And then you have to go to card styles. Here you can choose the premium card styles also. And from here you can change the theme color. Then you have to go to check your vanity URL. The URL you can share with everyone else. From here you can change your URL slug. Put this slug and it will open up like this. So as you can see, it's very interactive card and people can share it, and even people can click on the links on this card to directly access the links. Here's the email, website, and that's all. You can even upgrade your card. So here it is. Thank you so much.